And Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Yunus, chapter number 10, verse number 31, talking about the pagans, the Arabs, at the time when the Quran was revealed. When you ask them, who is the one who rules the affairs from the heavens and the earth? Who is the one that has power over hearing and seeing? Who is the one who gives life to the dead and death to the life? Who is the one who controls everything? They say Allah. Then why don't you show piety to him? Why do you worship other gods? Allah repeats the message in Surah Zukhruf, chapter number 43, verse 87. When you ask them who created you, they say Allah. Then why do you worship somebody else? That's the reason Quran says in Surah Yusuf, chapter 12, verse number 106. Most of the human beings do not worship Allah without associating partners with Him. That means they may believe in one Allah. They may give Him the good names. But with that one Allah, they also worship other gods. This is shirk. If you break any one of the three categories of Tawheed, Tawheed al-Rububiyyah, Tawheed al-Asma wa-Sifat, or Tawheed al-Ibadah, it is called as shirk. Shirk is the biggest sin in Islam. In Imam al-Daibi's book, shirk is number one, biggest sin in Islam. Allah says in Surah Nisa, chapter 4, verse 48, that Allah forgiveth not that you associate partners with Him. Anything else, if He pleases, He will forgive. But anyone who has committed shirk, he has committed the most heinous sin.